Welcome to our channel. Inactive investment accounts can hold your money hostage, but reactivating them is easier than you think. Welcome to our channel. If you have inactive investment accounts collecting dust, and you're wondering how to bring them back to life, you're in the right place today. We will walk you through a clear step-by-step guide to ensure your funds are secure and your investments are back in action. First, understand what an inactive investment account is. Generally, it's an account with no trades or activity. For a certain period, which can vary depending on the brokerage or platform, often it's 12 months or more without transactions or updates. Now, let's go through the process to reactivate it. Step 1. Gather your account information, including your account number, personal identification details used when opening the account, and any linked documents or identification to speed up verification. Step 2. Contact your investment firm or brokerage. You can call their customer service or visit their website. Check specific instructions on how to reactivate inactive accounts. Many firms have special procedures or forms for this purpose. Step 3. Verify your identity. As part of their compliance requirements, most institutions will ask you to verify your identity with updated documents, such as a government-issued ID, proof of address, or even a signed affidavit. This step ensures you remain the rightful owner of the investment account. Step 4. Review your account details once access is restored. Look for any outdated contact information or missing documents. Update beneficiary information, and make sure your email and mailing addresses are current so you don't miss future communications. Step 5. Reactivate your account. If your brokerage requires a formal reactivation request, complete and submit the correct forms either online or by mail. Follow their instructions carefully and retain copies of all correspondence for your records. Step 6. Consider making a small transaction such as a deposit or a trade. This activity will signal that the account is active and can help prevent it from becoming inactive again in the future. Step 7. Stay informed about your investments. Sign up for notifications or alerts offered by your firm, and regularly review your account statements to monitor your portfolio's performance and any important updates. Reactivating an inactive investment account is not just about regaining access, but also about maintaining proactive management of your wealth. Getting started early helps avoid potential fees or escheatment of funds to state authorities. Keep these steps handy so you can effortlessly bring your investments back to life and protect your financial future. Don't let inactivity sideline your earnings or complicate your financial planning. Remember, timely action is key. Now that you know how, simply reach out to your provider and follow through with the steps above. Your financial future deserves your attention. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more insightful finance tips and guides every week.